Hello, welcome to LSC 502, Lead, Manage, and Connect Library and Information Services. My name's Mary Moen and I'm the instructor for this course. The purpose of this video is to help you learn how to navigate how we're going to use Sakai, our learning management system, for this particular course. I'm sure professors use it in different ways, but the basic concept is the same. So when you log into our site, you're going to get to our overview page, and here's where I give you some contact information. On the left here, you're going to see different tabs for different tools that we're going to be using in the course. The first tool, the first tab is Start Here, where we're going to take a look at that, and you are going to find more information about this course. The student learning objectives, how the course is delivered, links to the different modules of the course, and the technology requirements. The next tool we're going to look at is Forums, and here's where you're going to be posting weekly takeaways from the readings or other prompts and respond to your classmates. The Assignments tab, this is where you're going to see a list of the assignments and the due dates, and this is where you will go and submit your assignments to be graded. In the Resources tool, you're going to find all the readings or websites or other information that you're required to look at and read for this course. I like to use the Announcements tool. Every week you'll be receiving a welcome announcement. Our weeks are going to run from Wednesdays to Tuesday. So on Wednesday morning you'll get a welcome announcement with some important information or reminders of things that are happening. And I like to use this tool because all the emails I send to the entire class are now archived in one spot for you to refer back to if need be. The last feature I'm going to show you here is Gradebook, and here is where your grades for class participation and all your assignments can be accessed. So you will have up-to-date feedback from me on your progress in this course. So my biggest piece of advice to everyone is to please email me if you have any questions or concerns about this course. Email is my preferred way to communicate, and I will try my best to get back to you within 24 hours on Monday through Friday. So thanks for listening to this, and I look forward to getting to know you and working with you in this course.